So for today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Cash App Bank to your bank account. So first, you need to open your Cash App application and just simply navigate to your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. And once you clicked in, just simply click the link banks under the account and settings. After that, you need to click the plus icon beside the link bank and then click the continue, and you'd need to select your institution. After selecting it, go back to the menu and then click on cash out. Simply tender an amount you wanted to cash out and you're now all set. That's how you transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. If you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them in the comments below. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.